Hi, Olivia. How are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I'm great. I know that your beautiful hair, but sometimes it's frizzy, and if it dries naturally, if you don't spend a lot of time with a blow dryer, you don't get the smoothness you want. So we're going to use this not just to curl, but to smooth out.
Fantastic.
Okay.
I'm super excited.
So obviously your hair is dry and you have brushed it out. It's not tangled. And so you're gonna take a section.
Okay.
The iron's on. In this case, you can use a higher heat than the lowest because you're going to be using the iron quicker through the hair.
Okay, I'm gonna start with 3.
3 is perfect.
Great.
3 is perfect. And so now start with the rotation. Always, if you're on the left side, rotate from the right. Perfect. And you're gonna put it in the sort of the mid shaft of the hair. You can start as high up as you're comfortable.
What do we think?
You can go a little closer because you want to smooth from the top. You could also angle it in a little bit. Perfect.
Fantastic.
So now start the rotation. And now pull it outward. Keep pulling outward. As it rotates, don't stop the rotation. Keep going. That's great. So you see you get a little bit of a bend, but more importantly, you're smoothing out the hair. So sort of comb through your hair with it and then turn on the rotation.
Okay, let's give it a try. So,
Now use the rotation now.
let's go the opposite way.
There you go. And now start pulling out. Perfect.
Gorgeous.
You're gonna get comfortable with the basics and then you're gonna just move on to see what works. You can basically do anything. It's a hot tool that has the rotation, but you can use it as the best it suits you.
Yeah, I'm very excited about the frizz elimination aspect.
Anything that has heat and you can put a little tension to it will eliminate the frizz. So, and not everybody wants to flat iron their hair and have it stick straight. Most people want a little volume, a little more natural looking. The Farrah is the perfect option.
I agree.